Guys, good morning. I hope you guys are well. So I have a party today. Today is Thursday. No, today's Tuesday. Today's Tuesday. I have a party to attend. A friend invited me yesterday, and I just had my bath now. They said the the color of the party is purple, and the only purple I don't have purple. In all honesty, to think purple is my best color, but I don't have any purple clothes. She said she said touch of purple, so I'm going to. The only clothes that I have is this one right here. I don't know. It has a little bit of purple, and that's wearing, and my earring. I might be wearing this one. Am I wearing this pair or this pair? I've not made up my mind, but I do know that this is the neck piece I'm going to be using. This is the neck piece I'm going to be using, and then my watch, my bead, my bracelets, everything. So I'm torn between this and this, as it is now, between this and this. Not yet, but I have had my bath now. I've done my skincare routine. I will just get dressed and go to the makeup artist. Hi guys, so I've left home already. I want to go to my makeup artist's place first. I've not even called him. Hello, I've not even called him. I hope I can only hope, today being Tuesday, I want to believe there won't be really anybody like that there. So even if there is, I don't know, Sha, but I'm on my way. So do I look different already? I can also be like this. I can also be fine if I want. So yeah. Oh, I just finished now, and I think the makeup is really nice. Yeah. So I told you guys this earlier. I think it's really nice, and yeah, it's nice. I like it. So right now I don't really know the place. It's in Ikeja. The venue is in Ikeja, but I don't exactly know. So I'm going to have to use my Google map to get that one. And yeah, let's go.
Wọ́n ní kò ṣe gbogbo àdúrà tó bá ṣe fún eléyìí á ṣe mẹ́ra orí òní kàdúrà orí àkàndé wọ́n la mọ́kà àti mọ̀dínà wọ́n la láhàùlà wọ́n la kò hátá ìlà abilà ìwọlé lè yàzé Jésù Olúwa wa. Wọ́n fẹ́ mọ̀ bóyá jíjẹ́ mọ̀rí Ọlọ́run sẹ́kẹ́tìrì mi dà jíjẹ́ ṣùgbọ́n kò ní màmá púpọ̀ má bọ̀ báyìí assignment number 1 nílé táìmù wa ti lọ kó kọ̀ dọ̀bálẹ̀. Yeah. The next governor. Yes, so incoming governor. Yes, so of Ogun State. Yeah, everybody get up. Who are you now? Yes, sir. Ẹ̀yin ọ̀rẹ́ yẹn ṣe wà ń bẹ̀ ṣá. Ó wà ń bẹ̀. Babájídé, ó láìkí ẹ. Kó tó sí bàbá yàwó. Okay, mi ò gbọ́ dáadáa ni. Mo fẹ́ ní kò sí gbé. Jídé ilé ìta ló wáyé.
Ìlú dáàdì mi àti mọ́mí mi.
Láìkí ẹ. Tó bá jẹ́ lómi ni aṣọ akọ lẹ́nu. Can you please turn around for your mommy and your dad to see you? Come on.
Surely.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Amen. You are doing well. Téèyàn bá ti jọ bàbá ẹ̀ kí ló tún wá kù? Nígbà tí dáàdì náà fẹ́ dìde pátá ẹ dìde. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin ọ̀rẹ́ jíde ẹ dìde. Ẹ̀yin ọ̀rẹ́ ẹ má kó ẹyọkan ìdàgbàdà ẹyọkan tó fẹ́ dé àná rẹ̀ lè bá mi súnmọ́ mọ́mí àti dáàdì dáadáa. Súnmọ́ wọn dáadáa. Wọ́n mi ẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ sí mi. Dáàdì ẹ̀yin ẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ sí ẹ bá gbàdúrà fún gbogbo ẹ̀yin ọ̀rẹ́ jíde ẹ má bọ̀ báyìí.
I've left the party now. I'm going back home. I didn't get to really vlog because my phone died at the party. I missed a lot. In fact, I didn't get to snap any fine picture. Like, it is so painful. So right now I'm on my way back home. I'm just waiting for my friend to pick up what she wants to pick, and then I'm already in my area. I'm already in my area, and I'll be going back. We're going very soon. I hope that before I off this clothes, I'll be able to snap fine picture. I even use this look to film maybe 1 or 2 or 3 videos, because the money I used to do this makeup cannot waste. As I did not really find any fine pictures to snap for at the party, I will at least be able to use it to film. And you guys, it was Obesere that came to perform at the party, and unfortunately I didn't get to really do much, but we move. I like my makeup a lot. I like it a lot. You know, we only go out once in a while, but when we do go out, we know how to pull it off. We do know how to pull it off. So yes, that is it, guys. I will see you when I get home. Hi guys. So the time is, let me check. The time is 9:13 p.m. and my makeup is still standing strong. Okay, I just wanted to show you guys that finally I'm home. Yeah, but the makeup is still very fine. I was thinking, let me film, but I'm tired, and the weather is so hot. There's no lights, everywhere is hot. Like, jeez, I don't know how I want to manage to film inside this heat, but I really don't want to waste this makeup. Like, you guys, it's so fine. It is so fine. It is so fine. I can't take my eyes. I'm see. If I pass in front of any mirror, I'm going back to check, because damn, this is a babe. The girl is a babe. More like the babe is a babe. So I've even used that to spoil it. Anyways, so that's it. Thank you for joining my vlog. Thank you for watching my vlog, and I will have to end it here. I hope you guys I enjoyed my vlogs. Did you like my pictures? I didn't really get to snap any fine upright picture because my phone died at some point. It was when I got back into the car I was able to charge. My phone died, and blessing, my friend and we went together. I own this thing. Our phone's camera is not very good like that, so just shuku she snapped for me. Maybe they will turn out fine when I'm ready to, you know, sit down and select the ones that are fine. Maybe I will see any fine one. I don't know yet. This is for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed filming it. You guys, I can't even close it yet. Do you know Obesere? It was Obesere that came to play at the party. Yeah, it was also right. It was fun, right? Because for them to invite Obesere to a party, it means that it's not, the person is not broke, right? And I like how they made the party like simple. They made it compact. Everybody in that hall would not have been more than 200, right? They like the AC in the room was okay to circulate everywhere. The temperature was just perfect. The room was not congested. You could like, from where I sat, I could make a video of the bride and the groom. From where I sat, right, I could make a video of the bride and the groom conveniently without having to, although I had to zoom out, but zoom in, zoom out, zoom in. I had to zoom to get to them because it's quite a distance, but I could still see them. It wasn't too crowded. It was nice. Can never be me. My family would not even accept. You want to do what? You want to get married during the week. You want to fix your wedding on a Tuesday because you don't want too many crowds. My mother will tell you she has been doing wedding for people all these days that everybody must come for our own child's wedding too. So I actually like it. I like it a lot. It was really nice. And the other guy Duro, the other guy Joko, the other guy Duro, she tried. She's a young lady. She can't be more than maybe 32, 33. But she really tried. It was fun. I enjoyed myself. I had fun. And yeah, see you in my next video. Bye.